Hello everyone, this is Daniel Lee. I wanted to do my recap for today. It was on, I only did one trade that worked out well, got over 3 hours, so that means I'm done with my day after that. So just a little bit about my process lately. And maybe that can help somebody else. I've been working a lot more on optimizing um, when to stop trading and really sticking to my higher probability trades. Today I had the opportunity, luckily, to see a stock that did one of the things that I do well. I do well with ORVs, and this was with ENPH. Had gapped up a lot. I usually like that a lot. The huge gaps are what I usually tend to look at more. So and this was gapping up. As you can see in the beginning, I tend to look a lot more in the open to the 1 minute and maybe a little bit to the 2 minute. So I was looking at that and also the higher time frames just to make sure that there's nothing, no kind of some kind of resistance overhead, right? So so what was going on with this? So this looked very strong in the open. It spiked enormously all this week. I definitely wasn't gonna take it. I almost never take trades in the first minute. Um, so I waited. It pulled back a lot. It came back here, saw that it was holding, took it long since it was minute two. I took a very wide stop all the way down here below this moving average. Then I saw it was holding, still holding, and then it started breaking up from this range. And also on the 2 minute, it was a 2 minute opening range breakout. So I added to my position and moved my stop below this wick. And also something else that I was looking at that it's important to me that helps increase my probability is that I didn't see, as I said, anything on the 15 that could have been strong resistance up ahead. Just looked like clear blue skies, right? So I took some at 2 to 1. I saw it was kind of struggling here, so I took some more. It was like 2.5 to 1. Here it was forming kind of a flag, but I think it was a good probability of it going up, but there's also always a probability of going down, especially with flags like that. So that are lower highs and also higher lows. It's a fight between bulls and bears. So I took some more at the tip of the flag. It spiked up. I took some more here. That was close to 3 to 1. Since the move didn't move that much from the top of this flag, it already gave me the feeling that it wasn't going to move that much more, right? Usually when there is a flag, the next flagpole should be close to the size of the initial flagpole. Otherwise, you're looking at a move that is running out of steam, most likely, at least in my view. So I took some more here. I started taking partials. I took some more here, because this looked like a kind of like a head and shoulders. And I was right. After that, it dumped. As you can see on the 5, it wasn't terrible. It went back to the VWAP and then it went back up again, but it's just been chopping around this level, right? I'm glad I got all out because, maybe I could have gone a little bit more, but it would have been a lot more time. And at this point in my trading, I still have other things that I have to do during the day. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you for watching.